This magnificent tree is locally known as Riniala, mother of the forest. We commonly call these the Baobab. The tree itself is a pretty amazing tree, and it corresponds to the Malagasy life motto, which is Mora Mora, which means easy going or slowly, slowly. It's not until about the 20th year of life that a baobab will begin to blossom. And then around the 30th year to the 40th year of life, they will begin to develop these branches that go out horizontally. And at that point, the tree almost ceases to grow vertically. And then around the 70th year, the baobab starts to expand here in its width. And it's only a few centimeters each year, but you can tell that this is a very, very, very old baobab, and we have no idea how old it is because it's so difficult. It doesn't have the rings inside so that a scientist can go on and look at the number of rings and be able to determine its age. In there also is this incredible amount of water, especially during the rainy season. And an average baobab may absorb or suck up about 140,000 liters of water, which is almost difficult to even comprehend. The locals may use the leaves, which are not present now, but to use that for mouth conditions, also for like for some rheumatism, some arthritic pain, joint pain, that kind of thing. The baobabs have these fabulous fruit. One of our guides here has picked up a couple for us to show us what they look like up close. It's a hard outer casing, and it feels great. It's like a smooth velvet covering. It's just so soft to touch. But if he breaks one of those open, you're gonna see what's inside. There's this delicious white pulp inside, and within that there are about 30 to 40 dark red seeds. Those seeds, you would think, would germinate, and you would think there would be baobabs everywhere. But there appears to be what scientists think is a dormancy stage within these seeds, that something has to trigger them to actually germinate. And so in Madagascar, there are 6 endemic species of the 8 known in the world. One of those species, they believe there are only 2 existing trees. And so they've worked very hard to try and get those seeds to germinate so that we could expand that population. They've tried a variety of methods, from steaming the seeds, having them pass through the intestines of animals, and nothing can trigger those seeds to germinate. So there's a fear that they may be the 2 remaining trees that will ever exist on planet Earth. One of the biggest threats to all of the baobabs in Madagascar is the encroachment of the human population. And as they slash and burn and use the land for other resources, in the path are also the existing baobabs.